Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. But I find it very interesting, so be very careful with this. Because we've already seen it on other occasions, they brought us a little more than 1 week an Audi TT 1800 turbo so that we could change the oil and the filter. When we raised the hood we realized that there was a strong smell of gasoline. With the naked eye there was no leak, but of course that smell came from somewhere, and we told the owner, and the owner told us that he had also noticed it for a long time, but that he had not given it much importance at the moment. And he told us that he would bring it to us later, so that we could look for that leak of gasoline. Well, a couple of days ago he called us, to see if he could bring the car to the workshop by tow truck. Because he had a problem. Look at what the problem is. In the end, he did not solve the problem with gasoline, and the car, while it was driving on the road, caught fire and the engine was turned off by the firefighters. But this is already a total loss. The repair is worth much more money than the value of the car. Okay? Be very careful with these things. If you notice the smell of gasoline or diesel in your car, do not drive with the car, is my advice, until you solve the problem. Because the same thing can happen to you in your car. Be very careful with these things. Well, here I leave this video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.